नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रों, दरेकનું हार्दिक स्वागत છે। મિત્રો ધોરણ 10 વિષય ઇંગ્લિશ યુનિટ નંબર 5 પ્લેઇંગ વિથ ફાયર સંપૂર્ણ સોલ્યુશન મિત્રો ક્વેશ્ચનો જોવાના છીએ। તે પહેલાં ચેનલમાં જો પ્રથમ વખત છો તો ચેનલ સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરી લેશો। જે અંદર આપણે જોવા જઈએ તો C.4 ના જે ક્વેશ્ચન આપેલા છે એ તેની પર તમારે જે છે આવવાનું છે। એક ક્વેશ્ચન આપણે સૌ પ્રથમ શરૂઆત કરીએ છીએ, જેની અંદર આન્સર ધ ક્વેશ્ચન ઇન વન સેન્ટેન્સ ઇઝ। જે અંદર પહેલો ક્વેશ્ચન રહેશે, વોટ ડઝ ધ વર્ડ ફાયર મીન? Answer: the word fire means fire. Question 2. Why is the household match considered a special pyrotechnic device? Answer: the household match considered a special pyrotechnic device because all the pyrotechnic effects, heat, smoke, light, gas and sound are present in it. Question 3. Why did Roger Bacon write the formula of pyrotechnic in a code language? Answer: Roger Bacon wrote the formula of pyrotechnic in a code language because he considered black powder a dangerous substance. Question 4. What is the basic formula of black powder? Answer: the basic formula of the black powder is a blend of potassium nitrate, charcoal and sulfur in the ratio of 75 gm 15 gm 10 by weight. Question 5. What is the principle behind any fireworks? Answer: the principle behind an fireworks is that when heat is applied to fuel, it burns using oxygen. Question 6. Why do fire accidents take place in Shivakasi? Answer: fire accidents take place in Shivakasi because there are hardly any safety measures in force there. Question 7. Why are only a few reliable persons taught the art of manufacturing fireworks? Answer: only a few reliable persons taught the art of manufacturing fireworks because it is not considered safe to give everybody the details. ત્યારબાદ છે મિત્રો ક્વેશ્ચન 2. આન્સર ધીસ ક્વેશ્ચન ઇન 2-3 સેન્ટેન્સ ઇચ। જેની અંદર છે C.5, જેમાં પહેલો ક્વેશ્ચન રહેશે, what are the pyrotechnic effects in the household match device? Answer: the different pyrotechnic effects in the household match are heat, smoke, light, gas and sound. Question 2. Describe the development of black powder in India. Answer: some historians say that black powder, the basic material used in fireworks, was invented in India. Kranti, written more than 2,000 years ago, has reference to weapons similar to guns and projectile weapons. Question 3. Who introduced black powder on the West? What was his opinion about it? An English monk, Roger Bacon, introduced black powder in the West. He considered it such a dangerous substance that the wrote of it in a code language. Question 4. How have light and color effects improved? The discovery of aluminium, magnesium and titanium, which burn at high temperatures emitting bright light, have improved the light and color of fireworks. Question 5. How is incandescent light produced? Answer: incandescent light is produced when substance is heated so much that begins to glow. Question 6. What are the dangers of pyrotechnics? Answer: throughout the mixture is stable if kept cool and dry. It can catch fire if heat is accidentally applied throughout too much friction, something or form a spark or an impact. Question 7. Describe fireworks production in Shivakasi. Answer: in Shivakasi, fireworks are manufactured in number of small units. Fireworks are manufactured 3 months before Diwali and transported to every nook and corner of the country. but there are very few testing facilities for quality or uniformity and hardly any safety measures in force.